Hi guys. It is my birthday. Well, it's my company's birthday, so it's not today, it's this year, and I just realized it that it is a remarkable year actually for my company. It's 10 years old this year. But even if you've been watching this channel, you might not know what the fuck I'm talking about. What company? I have a company, it's a small travel agency, and it is called En route, or Iceland En route, depending on what I'm doing and how I feel. And you know, the thing is, originally I called it Iceland En route because I was doing tours in Iceland. Then I started doing tours all over, and then Iceland En route didn't make any sense really. So I thought about because sometimes I went to Vietnam, then I thought about what if I call that aspect Vietnam En route, and then Bolivia En route, and stuff like that. You know, it didn't make, it complicated things, but En route is what I call it. It is a somewhat of a problematic name because it's French, and my French accent, you know, is bad.
I would like to buy a hamburger.
It's bad. It's but it is also part of the English vocabulary. So if I say en route to like Americans or something, they know what I'm talking about. But here in Iceland, when I call on behalf of my company or something, there's like, how is that spelled? I always have to spell it. Oh, is it en route? Is it en route or en route or en route? Or, you know, I get all variations of pronunciation of this, and I like it. It's, you know, I like it. It's cool. It's a cool name. En route, it means on the way, going somewhere, you know, doing something amazing. I'm on my way to a new adventure. But those 10 years, they have been a blast. You know, it's been amazing. It's been a ride. You know, sometimes it went very well. Business was good, and sometimes it was just horrible. Like, you know, the 2 years, you know, of the thingy we don't discuss because of algorithm problems. Yeah, that was bad. And sometimes I even just wondered if this company would survive this, because it is a relatively small company, which in the end was its strength. Even after all the issues and even after these 2 years, we're still here and we're not going anywhere. But this company En route does much more than photo tours. I'm a photographer, and I do all kind of photography work and video work, and you know what I do, En route does. You know, if I do something for you, En route will send you a bill. And also the strength, besides of being a small company, also the strength of my little company is we do a lot. We do, you know, like we do the photo tours, we do regular tours. I shoot weddings, I shoot, you know, commercials, events, whatever. I have a studio, I do that. And also other type of like production work, you know, when a foreign company come to Iceland for photo shoots and stuff like that. We can also handle the Iceland side of that. And this is why we always land on our feet, because even if like tourism stopped, you know, we have other stuff that we can go to. And when I say we, I'm talking about me and my wife. We started this company 10 years ago, and we've been running it ever since. together. She handles, the things that, the back end stuff, the money things and stuff like that. If I were to handle that, we would be bankrupt a long time ago. We talked about trying to go big, try to do more, hire people, do something, and it was basically down to me. I did not want that, and I'm going to tell you why. The reason for all this was I wanted to do certain things. I wanted to travel. I wanted to do photo tours. I wanted to do photography, meet interesting people, and not be in an office. That's one of the key factors. I didn't want that. I did that before, and I didn't particularly like that. And the thing is, if you're gonna look for a job where you can travel a lot, be your own, do your own thing, and do what you want. Don't get me wrong. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of fucking work. But it's fun. And if you're gonna, if you're gonna look for a job like this, it's gonna be difficult to find something like that. So basically, what you have to do if you want this lifestyle, which I have, you need to make your own shit. But before this, I had a well-paying job. I couldn't complain. I had much more money every month than I actually have now. But it wasn't never about the money. It was about the life and being sustainable. That's enough. Have enough to be able to do what I do. So when I quit my fancy work at an advertising agency, people said, "Well, are you crazy? Are you stupid?" And I'm like, "Yeah, what can I say?" Because we didn't have like any funds or anything to build on, and also I had like an infant. We had an infant. We had a tiny little girl, recently born. She was born with the company. She's also 10 years old this year, and it was hard. It was very hard. And I did have another daughter from older. She was much older. She didn't live with me. So I had 2 girls, and then I had 1 more girl. I had 3 girls. And the first 2 years of this, they were very, very difficult. We could afford a place to stay, and we could eat. That's it. That's what we did for 2 years, and it is not like I was like changing careers like when I was very young. I was 40. I'm 50 years old now. So that was when I was 40, and so people, and the thing is, it doesn't matter. I could see myself today easily, completely change career if that's what I would like to do, because, age is it's a state of mind. It's not about the numbers, it's about your mind. But then, slowly but surely, things got better. Little by little, things got better, a little easier. Never easy. I sometimes thought that, if I would reach a certain point, in this business, things would just get easy. I would just more work. But it's never going to be like. It's never going to be like that. It's easier. Things got easier. If you want easy, you just have to go work for someone else. Because if you want your own thing, especially if it's not like not mainstream like this is. This is not really mainstream. You have to love the ride, because you will never reach a destination. You have to enjoy the fucking journey. If you made it this far in this strange video, you're a champion, and I love you. Thank you for watching this and what I've been doing so far. Goodbye.